YouTube, what's up, what's happening? Here I am bringing you another video. And today we're going over a quick, simple design. This is a design you could probably put up today, make some money off of, and once you obviously make your little stencil here, it's something really easy and simple, and you could do a lot of them really quick. So if you have a t-shirt stand or something like that, I would recommend looking up the PUBG. If you Google it, you'll obviously come across a lot of designs that have a lot of different styles or whatever. But all I did is take, there's these square things that have the PUBG word letters in it, and then this guy seems to be like their main focus. So I kind of made a cutout of him and, kind of put them together. So, once you have that stencil, it's all downhill from there, basically. You come in, you fill in your stencil in black, real quick. And then I like to give it an outline going around. And, again, you don't have to be super heavy with it. Just give it an outline in black. Bam. And so, obviously, when you're working with the stencils, I like to multi-layer them. So I'm going to take a circle like this. Obviously, you could take whatever stencil. If you have some cool, like, splatter stencils or something, that would work. Or, pretty much anything would work behind it. But I'm just going to take this and add an area for our name. So I'm just going to kind of put it right here. Outline it. Just going to outline around it. And this is just bright green from Createx. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add a halo around the actual stencil using green. So I'm just going to add, a nice halo around it using green. Something like that. And then that's it. You pretty much got your platform for your stencil, your name, and everything like that. So you just got to decorate a little bit. I'm going to add some blood splatters. If you've never played PUBG, it's like a shooting game. Last man out of 100 wins. So, I'm going to add some blood. Got shot. And then it's dripping a little bit. Obviously, you could decorate it however you want. I'm just keeping it quick and simple for this video. So, I'm going to add some yellow to our circle here for our name. Simple, quick. And then again, because this design is for you guys out on YouTube, I'm just going to name it YouTube. Just quick, fast, make it like a crazy looking letter in there. Just add some orange to it. Not a whole lot. You can take your stencil off. And we're working on paper towel, so be careful taking it off. Sometimes that sticky spray works a little too good. I'm using the 3M Super 77 today, so that stuff's really strong. But if you carefully get it off of there, obviously if you're working on a shirt, you don't have to worry about it so much, but get it off. And there you go, you got your nice design there. A lot of people like it like that. I've had people just, oh, I like that, but I like to add color to it, so I'm going to add some orange, and then I'm going to fade it up to yellow. There you go. And so this design is probably popular right now. I get a lot of people ask for it in red and green. So take that into consideration when making your showpiece or whatever. But this design I actually sell really good right now because there's actually no place to actually buy a PUBG shirt. There's like they don't sell them at Walmart or anything like that. So, you know, getting while the getting's good is always a good idea. So hopefully that helps some of you guys out. Hopefully, you know, you guys have that T-shirt stand or a hat stand or whatever it is you do. Make sure you have a PUBG design out. Who knows? You might make some money. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.